Hello, my name is Josna Sorode. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management and Study. Today my topic is storytelling for subject person grooming. Storytelling. I was storytelling about Gold movie, the dream that united our nations. This movie is a role play by Tappan as a Tappan Das is a Akshay Kumar. This movie was the one of the best example of a team development with unity, and story of the movie goes through all five stages of team development. As an employer trying to build a strong workforce, a coach trying to build a strong team unity should be the item on checklist. First item in on your checklist. See that it is based on the journey of India's first national hockey team to the 1948 Summer Olympics. The Indian hockey team faces several obstacles and star Akshay Kumar as a Tapan Das, manager of the Indian hockey team. He prepares Indian team to overcome the obstacles, and by teaching the players a lesson of unity and make India's first national hockey team to won first gold medal in the 1948 Summer Olympics. The five stage of team development in movie. uh, First stage is a forming stage. In this stage members are getting to know each other. They try to understand the role must be taken and goal that are addressed to achieve. The leaders points tries to work with colleagues directing them what that is all about. Forming stage in movie. The story starts around when Indian team played hockey against Germany in Berlin Olympic 1936. At that time, Indian team was known as a British Indian. After winning the final match, British national anthem was played and British Indian flag was hosted. But team promised themselves that they will win the gold medal once India gets independent. After that, next Olympic was cancelled due World War II. Because of that, Tapan Das spoiled him and become a jobless and start drinking. And when he get the news that next Olympics will be held in London 1948, he made an ambition of winning gold for India as an independent country by coaching hockey team. He convinced Mr. Wadia and gets his position as a manager of hockey team. He started his work and went to his one of the old team member and captain Samrat, but he refused to play and suggests other teammate Imtiaz Ali Shah. He was also soldier for Indian National Army. He created a team with the Imtiaz Ali Shah as a captain. Brings other team members from Central India, Thakur Rajubir, Raghubir Pratap Singh, and Punjab Himmat Singh as both were the best in central forward, and some of Muslim community members and some of British members. Second stage is storming stage. In this stage, conflict arise. Members are uncomfortable with their fellow colleagues. Competition for role and leading arises. Differences and experience collide with each other. At that point, leadership is to reduce tension. Storming stage in movie. But meanwhile, India got independent and get divided in two parts, India and Pakistan. Imtiaz Ali gets injured when some Hindus try to burn him because was Muslim, and he refused to play for India and leaves for Lahore, Pakistan. Half the team ends up playing for Pakistan while a few others, mainly Anglo-Indians moved to Australia. Tapan decided to make a team on his own and coach the team in small Buddhist ashram. The head monk of the ashram is convinced because he was a great fan of hockey and Samrat. His wife also supports and helps him on his dream. The training begins, but there was a lack in teams between teammates, due to which conflicts start to increase. Tapan and Samrat finally teach the players a lesson of unity, and then team was selected in Olympic 1948. Third stage is a norming stage. In this stage, members are trying to communicate together, stress or starting to build among them. Anyone knows what their role is. A leader at this point is a setting communication between members and enabling to start teamwork. Norming stage in movie. Training was conducted and Devang was selected as a captain, Raghubir the vice captain, and tells Tapan that Himmat is a hidden treasure to be used at the right time of the Olympics. Jealous Mr. Mehta created some situation, and Tapan was removed from manager and post, and Mr. Mehta became a manager of Indian hockey team. So Tapan decided to be stopped drinking. The team was brought to London by Mr. Mehta, but team do not want to practice under Mr. Mehta, so Mr. Wadia sends Tapan to London. Fourth stage is a performing stage. In this stage, high level of communications, understanding and trust has been achieved between team members. Individuals are working together effectively to achieve the common goals. Group discussion making, collaboration, motivation and effective development is happening here. At this point, leaders are for gratitude to their members, individual and as a team for performing. Performing stage in movie. The Olympic began and all other played was allowed to play except Himmat, so that after some game they will hard to score as a opponent team will mark best team player. At that time, Himmat will be put in the team. Indian team played well and reached to semi-final, and Tapan decided to put Himmat in team, but all members refused because of his bad behavior with the Raghubir previous night. And India reached the final against Britain. During the first half in the Britain players prevents Raghubir and other teams members from scoring for India. Finally, team came to know that only teamwork and unity can help to achieve their goals, and decide to put Himmat in team for next second half. And in next Himmat entered to pitch as they kept as a hidden player, and he scored a goal, but due to rain second and in next half Himmat entered to the pitch, but due to rain in second half, Indian players was not able to perform well because of slippery. However, Tapan recalls his wife telling remove sandals for getting proper grip in mud during the rain, and Tapan instruct the players to play barefoot. At joint stretch, this is the last stage. In this stage, the delegate role that either been completed effectively or not, the goal has been achieved or not. According to accomplished team either become a permanent or temporary. Some members are forced back to go their earlier stages due to their incapacity capability of achieving what was desire. Other removes as a stable team taking more responsibility on further project at joint stage in movie. Finally, India hockey team wins the first Summer Olympics in 1948 as an independent country. The national flag of independent India is hosted and the anthem Janagana Mana is played. Tapan was proud and he was so happy that his happiness changes into tears in his eyes. What see in this movie? Unity that makes a team work, a company work, a society work, a civilization work. Unity is a stronger than powerful team. Thank you.